Hi guys, it's me back again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to introduce to you my new course. It's a Python tutorial, and in this first video we're gonna talk about why you would learn Python, and we'll basically get into what the course contents are. So anyway, what are we going to learn in this tutorial? Well, first of all, we're going to get started. We're going to install it and create a basic program. Then after that, we're going to cover the basic syntax and work on an advance so that we learn more complex syntax, and eventually we will be able to write Python quite professionally. Additionally, we're going to cover useful libraries. So this may be libraries that you would use in your day-to-day programming life. So yeah, basically it makes your programming life a bit easier, and it's just personally I find it quite nice if someone teaches me how to use libraries so that I don't have to reinvent the wheel or that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going to cover, and we're going to do some case studies. So we're going to basically, yeah, we're going to create some programs which, yeah, are quite useful and are nice to have on your resume. But in the first place, why would you want to learn Python? Well, for starters, it's easy to learn. So the syntax, it's quite easy. You can do a lot of things in a lot of ways. It is not restraining whatsoever. So it's a great language for beginners. The second reason why Python would be a good start is it's because it's a great introduction to the world of programming. So if you want to get into programming, Python is for many people the first language they learn because it's so easy, so great to get started with, and it's a lot less frustrating than lower level languages, but we'll not get into those. What can you do with Python? Well, you can basically automate everything. So boring, repetitive tasks that you do in your life, they can be automated with Python, and it's a lot of fun. So in this course, we're going to write some automation scripts, so it will make your life easier. But anyway, this is what the course is covering, and I hope to see you in the next video, where we'll start the tutorial. Bye.